1. What is the primary component of natural gas? A. Propane. B. Butane. C. Methane. D. Ethane. 2. What is the standard ignition temperature of natural gas in air? A. 450 degrees Celsius. B. 650 degrees Celsius. C. 800 degrees Celsius. D. 1000 degrees Celsius. 3. What is the function of a thermocouple in a gas appliance? A. Controls water flow. B. Senses flame presence and signals gas valve. C. Measures ambient temperature. D. Regulates pressure. 4. What is the purpose of a regulator on a gas appliance? A. Prevent ignition. B. Reduce and maintain gas pressure. C. Increase burner efficiency. D. Filter impurities. 5. What is the lower explosive limit LEL of methane? A. 0.5%. B. 1.5%. C. 5%. D. 10%. 6. Combustion is considered complete when A. There is excess soot. B. Carbon dioxide and water are the only byproducts. C. There is a yellow flame. D. Carbon monoxide is present. 7. A yellow, lazy flame indicates a proper combustion. B. Incomplete combustion. C. High oxygen content. D. Low fuel input. 8. What is the primary risk of incomplete combustion? A. Odor. B. Heat loss. C. Carbon monoxide production. D. Flame liftoff. 9. Which type of piping is commonly used for natural gas supply lines? A. PVC. B. Copper. C. Steel black iron. D. Aluminum. 10. According to the CSAB 149.1 code, gas piping must be tested A. After installation and yearly. B. Before being placed into service. C. Every 5 years. D. When customer requests. 11. What is the typical color code for a natural gas pipeline? A. Blue. B. Green. C. Yellow. D. Red. 12. What is the minimum test pressure for low-pressure gas piping systems? A. 5 psi. B. 10 psi. C. 15 psi. D. 30 psi. 13. A gas leak should first be verified using A. A flame. B. A gas leak detector or soapy water. C. Nose detection. D. Meter movement. 14. What tool is used to measure gas pressure at an appliance? A. Thermometer. B. Multimeter. C. Manometer. D. Hygrometer. 15. Which government agency regulates gas safety in Ontario? A. TECO. B. CSA. C. TSSA. D. ESA. 16. What does the acronym BTU stand for? A. Basic Thermal Unit. B. British Thermal Unit. C. Balanced Transfer Unit. D. Burn Time Unit. 17. When natural gas burns with a blue flame, it indicates A. Poor ventilation. B. Efficient combustion. C. Fuel contamination. D. Overheating. 18. Vent connectors for gas appliances must A. Be painted. B. Be sloped upward toward the chimney. C. Be horizontal only. D. Include water traps. 19. A cracked heat exchanger can result in A. Lower heating bills. B. Carbon monoxide entering living spaces. C. Water leakage. D. Gas loss. 20. What is the main hazard of using a match to test for gas leaks? A. Time consumption. B. Explosion or fire risk. C. False readings. D. Inconvenience. 21. Flexible gas connectors should A. Be looped for movement. B. Be longer than 6 feet. C. Be straight and not subject to strain. D. Be used underground. 22. The appliance input rating is measured in A. Volts. B. BTUs per hour. C. Liters per second. D. Therms. 23. Propane is than air. A. The same density. B. Heavier. C. Lighter. D. Non-reactive. 24. The safety shutoff valve in a gas appliance is designed to A. Increase heat output. B. Stop gas flow in unsafe conditions. C. Lower flame height. D. Stabilize pilot pressure. 25. What action should a technician take if a leak is confirmed on a gas line? A. Notify the homeowner only. B. Wipe it down. C. Shut off the gas supply and report. D. Cover it with insulation. Gas Technician Level 3 Certification. The Gas Technician Level 3 certification test is an entry-level examination designed to assess foundational knowledge and practical safety skills required for working with gas-fired equipment in Ontario and other Canadian provinces. Administered by the Technical Standards and Safety Authority (TSSA), this certification permits holders to perform a limited scope of work under the supervision of a higher-level licensed technician. The test evaluates understanding of gas properties, combustion theory, appliance components, basic installation procedures, and safety codes such as CSAB 149.1. Level 3 certification is often the first step for individuals seeking a career in the gas industry and is a prerequisite for advancing to Gas Technician Level 2. The exam ensures candidates are prepared to work safely and comply with provincial regulations. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Entry into the gas industry. The Gas Technician Level 3 certification is a foundational credential that allows individuals to begin working in the gas industry under supervision, opening pathways to employment in residential, commercial, and industrial gas services. 2. Regulatory compliance. Passing the G3 test ensures the technician meets Ontario's safety and technical standards regulated by the TSSA, demonstrating adherence to key codes like CSAB 149.1. 3. Career advancement. The G3 certification is a mandatory prerequisite for pursuing higher certifications G2 and G1, offering a clear progression path to become a fully licensed and independent gas technician. 4. Hands-on training foundation. The certification equips individuals with the basic technical skills and safety knowledge needed for real-world experience, forming a solid base for apprenticeship roles. 5. Job market eligibility. Many employers require at least a G3 license to qualify for entry-level gas technician roles, making it an essential credential for job seekers in HVAC and fuel gas sectors.